It's no secret that Ryzen 7000 CPUs have been selling like, I mean, what's the opposite of selling like hotcakes? Selling like burnt hotcakes that weren't cakes to begin with, and also poisoned with mercury. So that is why people are already looking to what AMD will offer in the future with Ryzen 8000 CPUs, and we are slowly but surely getting a picture of what that might look like, including the fact that we will most likely still see a maximum of 16 cores on AMD's consumer CPUs. And while that can sound disappointing at first, you gotta remember that AMD's Threadripper platform still exists, at least in theory. So if you want 24 or more cores, odds are that is what AMD expects you to get, and let's be honest, most consumers don't need more than 16 cores anyway. What is more interesting is the fact that these brand new CPUs will start at 6 cores. That's right, there could be a chance that there will be no ultra budget quad-core CPUs, which, let's be honest, is still enough for most people. And the big issue is that, apart from that, we really don't know much else. We do know that the Zen 5 architecture powering these brand new Nirvana CPU cores will be a pretty major improvement over Zen 4, though we have no exact performance numbers just yet. And the RDNA 3.5 based GPU cores are going to be interesting, but let's be honest, most people don't care about integrated GPU performance anyway, so, you know, why am I even spending time talking about it? You're just hurting my own retention. In terms of release date, while we are looking for 2024 at the earliest, with the rest of 2023 being spent most likely rolling out more Ryzen 7000 SKUs. That could mean that AMD could have no answer to the upcoming Intel 14th generation of CPUs, unless you count the brand new X3D chips that recently came out. Instead, Ryzen 8000 will most likely go head-to-head against Intel Arrow Lake. But more about that in its own separate video, which, for your convenience, I place graciously in the iCards, which are somewhere, I can never remember where they are. But are you excited for Ryzen 8000? Let me know down in the comments below, and while you're still here, maybe also check out our Patreon. Plus, huge thanks to our existing patrons, Gavin Burns, OKB, Justin Rage, Elavoniak, Balash Roka, Max Sumner, Shane Urcroft, Lansby, and Level Up. But anyway, that's what it's. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.